Nigiri sushi is made by placing sushi toppings on vinegared rice and gently pressing them together. Traditional sushi craftsmanship emphasizes enhancing the flavor of each ingredient through careful preparation. Methods like marinating, curing, and searing transform the delicate flavors of seafood in many ways, delighting the diner's palate. In this video, I'll introduce one such variation of nigiri sushi. Island-style sushi, or Shima sushi, is a local dish from Hachijo Island. It features nigiri sushi with sashimi marinated in a sweet soy-based sauce and uses mustard instead of wasabi. Tamari soy sauce, made purely from soybeans, has a richer flavor and aroma compared to regular soy sauce, which includes wheat. If Tamari soy sauce isn't available, you can substitute it with dark soy sauce. Slice the hamachi into pieces suitable for nigiri sushi. Combine Tamari soy sauce and mirin in a 5:3 ratio to create the marinade. Soak the hamachi slices in this mixture for 30 minutes to 1 hour. The longer the marination, the deeper the flavor, so adjust the time according to your preference. Once marinated, prepare the sushi rice balls for shaping. Since the marinade can make the fish moist, lightly pat the slices dry with a paper towel before shaping. Assemble the nigiri by placing the marinated hamachi on top of the rice balls. Finish with a small dollop of mustard and a sprinkle of sesame seeds for garnish. Subscribe the channel for the series of professional tutorials and more practical ideas.